sentiment behind this comment makes me really sad, and I feel like somebody should get on here and alleviate some of the anxiety from fellow DIYers. I believe this is in reference to the whole Tay Bebop and Karen Joy thing that is going around right now. First off, I want to say that I do not think that Karen Joy copied anything that Tay Bebop did. From what I can tell, they just had similar points of reference. I honestly thought that they were the same person until just a couple days ago, which I think is kind of the point, because I feel like Tay Bebop thought she was copying her because everything looks very similar. And I'm not defending Tay Bebop at all, but I do think that what she was saying was that Karen was looking at her video and then doing a copy of those videos to gain social media following. And it was less about the actual project that she was doing. I don't think she was mad that people are out there copying what she's doing. She was mad that another person was taking her ideas, making videos, and then posting them to social media to gain a following. Which happens all the time in other fields. They make videos and then somebody else out there takes that exact idea and copies them. Like, that happens, and it's okay to be mad about that. And that's what I think she was mad about. So as DIYers, I feel like we have permission to find inspiration from other people and make stuff based off of that inspiration and not feel like somebody's going to be mad that we're copying them. Seeing a project that someone made, making that video exactly, and then repeatedly doing that. I think that's what the issue is. Again, I actually don't think that's what was happening, but I think that's what she thought was happening. So yeah, if you like my button backsplash, I would love it if you made a video and posted it so we can all enjoy in all the buttons.